This 2021 Cruiser RV Twilight Signature TWS 3180 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Louisville, Tennessee, 37777 and is offered for sale by Northgate RV Center. This new Cruiser RV is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Mystic interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, oven, awning, slide-out, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, stove top burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Cruiser RV Twilight Signature TWS 3180 is 7,215 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Northgate RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.